Morning folks, firstly morning to Jim Layton and his grandson Layton down in Dale. I spoke to them the other day, they're lovely to meet you. And that's what I said, I don't mind folk coming up and saying hello to me and I'll give you a mention and all that, because that's what it's all about, spreading the word and building the following up. But this is a fly tipping one with interest. This is the crematorium down there, Crofthead Caravan Park, Cloutland rung in that way, right? Now obviously this is what people with the length to get to. Somebody's got a new Kenwood microwave, right? And they've dumped their old one, which is a Breville. Their old was a Breville. Then they've got a new Jolie or whatever baby seat. There it's there, right? There's the baby seat there. And they've dumped the old one, right? Now, these dafties couldn't be daft. Because what they've done is, they've took off the delivery address there, and the delivery address there, and there in the box. So they've there, so that obviously it's been delivered right for wherever they've bought it to their house. So there it is there, so these darties have took out the delivery address, so they went to this extreme length to take the labels off, and then come here and dump it. Now just down the road, if they stay in south here, so they can go to Heathfield there. If they stay in east here, so there, they can go to Cumnor. Now, if they go to these lengths, these dafties, they're dafties, so I'm calling them out, use that. So somebody out there must recognise these. So somebody of your friends must have a new Kenwood microwave and a new baby seat. So ask them, where is your old Breville and your old, whatever kind of child seat that is. So I'll let you all have a wee look there and have a wee kind of jog of your memory and say, where is your old Breville microwave and where is your old child seat? The answer is they're here. They're here, up here. That's where they are. Somebody must recognise them. I know all my followers out there will. Somebody will say, oh you, where did you get that Kenwood? Where did you put the hogging? Where the hogs on to you? So there you go folks. And there's the chopper there. That's flying tea. I'll maybe catch his own tea by the way. She's all there folks.